Hi everyone, welcome back to Frugal Watch Box. Today we have something special to unbox, the Casio MTP-1381L-9ADVF. I am really excited about this one, so let's dive right in. As we open the box, the first thing we noticed is the packaging. Through transportation the box seems to have incurred a slight dent on the box. Hopefully the watch inside remain intact. Wow, look at that! The Casio's MTP-1381 is elegantly placed in the center. The design is sleek, and I can already tell this is going to be a stylish timepiece. Let's carefully take it out and get a closer look. Let's remove the watch tag first. Here is the complete model name MTP-1381L-9ADVF. Let's remove this dial protective sticker. As we examine the watch, you can see an ion-plated case and a beautiful analog display. The dial is clean and easy to read, perfect for both casual and formal occasions. The baton hands and hour markers are rose gold-like hue. There is a small circle in the inner dial embellished with 12 captivating segments. The day display is displayed at the 12 o'clock mark while the date at 6 o'clock. The crown is encased within a protective housing, ensuring safeguarding measures for its integrity. It also features a stylish, expensive-looking light brown genuine leather band. A neat crafted buckle made from stainless steel, adding both strength and refinement to overall design. Moving on to watch measurement, the case diameter is 39.9 mm. Lug-to-lug size of about 46.6 mm. Thickness of 8.9 mm. And lug size of approximately 20 mm. The watch also features a corrosion-resistant stainless steel case back. Now, let's see what else in the box. Here we have the user manual, which is always handy for setting up the watch and understanding its various functions. And of course, the warranty card for that extra peace of mind. Regrettably, only the hour and second hands possess lume. Additionally, it's important to note that the timepiece also boasts a water-resistant capability of 50 meters. Let's test the watch on my slender 6.5-inch wrist. I believe it is a perfect fit. Well, that concludes our unboxing of the Casio MTP-1381L-9ADVF. I am impressed with the design and features of this watch, and I can't wait to wear it on special occasions. If you enjoyed this unboxing, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more exciting content. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you in the next one.